Look at this. That is just cool, folks. 1927 Ford little pickup truck. It's got a vinyl top on it. You know, naturally, there's no windows on it. There's a spare tire goes here, but it's here for a complete restoration. We got to get it running and driving naturally, but very, very cool truck. We're going to change colors on it. It's going to be green body with the black accents with fenders and all that kind of good stuff. This is for a company here in Alvin. The company's 101 years old, and the great-grandfather or grandfather had a fleet of these way back in 27, 28, 29, and they would go around fixing what they were fixing. It's a sandblasting company. So they do oil rigs and that kind of stuff, big stuff. Very, very cool. We're gonna get to this here within the next couple of 3 weeks, 4 weeks. We'll get it start torn down. Here's a new one that just came in, 62. The gentleman that brought it to us, his father owned it, and his father passed away, so he got it. And it has been set up for a long time. So we're gonna get it back on the road for him, and cool old car. Something new here at Muscle Cars of Texas.